Testing. Scott here, Tidy Bricks Landscaping. I'm back. That's my nephew, Will Baker. Whoa, one of the Baker boys. So, that planter behind you, we're finally getting the cotton copper stuff on that today. So I haven't done it before, so I've rented special cutting table from Tyler's Tools. Thanks, Jim and Scott McDonald, sorting that out for me. Good man. I didn't want to do it with a straight edge and a grinder, because, no. So I'll show you that in a minute, but still on the job. Done the cooking area the other day. Cooking area bits sorted, almost there. We figured out the grout today as well for the joints for all that malarkey. So lush. Right, blah 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 blah. Let's go over there. I'll show you the saw. So here we go. This is the saw we've got. That slidey thing here. This is good. That's for making the mark. We've made the mark. Now I gotta crunch it now and hopefully snap it. I hope it works. Yeah. We both hope it works. So we got 9 pieces altogether. We only need 8, but we got a sparesy. Right, I'm gonna do the cameraman. I'm gonna let Will sort it.
Oh, I just done it straight away.
Did it just go through?
Oh, no, I didn't. No.
All right, there we go. We're both a bit scared here.
Yeah.
We're both a bit scared.
Oh no, it did.
Oh, did it?
Right, okay, so now we've got to do it from that side.
All right, cool, yeah, and do that. Then we'll take that down the other end and... oh, that's good. Right. So that wasn't as scary as possibly thought. Yeah, because they're like 160-odd quid a sheet, something like that. So, yeah, we don't want to balls one up. Because first of all, we got to put this on here along the back of the planter first, and then it's a whole tile from that point upwards is our overall height. Right, here we go. Let's get a bit closer. Let's go.
Do you reckon that's...
Yeah, that looks lush. Oh, you had it made nice. Oh, I'm scared. Yeah. Oh, I tell you what, this is friggin' stressful. Yeah. Doesn't look like it's gone all the way through. Did make a cracky noise.
Yeah, I think it's gone through on that side.
Done it. That was a flipping hard work. So yeah, we figured it out. We managed to do it. Actually, I'm going to put the camera down. I'll put a hand either end, and you go across with a blade and do that. Right, gotta go. Bye. Ba 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 da ba 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 da. Oh, that was stressful. Yeah, so that's good. Sorted that bit out. Learning as we go.
Yeah.
Right, let's make some glue. That's the testicles. There it goes, working out. So that was the tricky one to start off. But that's in. That's a good height now with the top. Just put that one in. That's pretty cool. Next one's ready to go in. We put the tile in first dry, level the cement underneath so we know it's level. Then when we got the stuff on the wall, we'll stick some stuff on there, pick it up with the grabbo. Got the main bit in the other day. Didn't come in yesterday. It was lashing it down with rain. But it looks good. Looks good. Just got a couple of cuts now to go around. Do on the top. And they're tricky. I'll take you around here now. I need 4 pieces to go on the top. That's a full sheet. First cut didn't go that well. This one's just cracked. See a little hairline crack. The bigger the piece, the more you flop over, the stronger it is. The smaller the piece, the more you got to push down for it to break off evenly. So I've scored and scored and scored and scored this one. I've cracked the sides. Now hopefully I can pull it over and snap it and get the right bloody size. Better. Man, this job is so stressful. Everything about it is stressful. Oh, this one's cracked now as well. Got a little dink with there. Oh, God. Yeah, like I was saying, the smaller the piece, the harder it is to crack. I'm not taking any more chances. I got the 4-inch grinder on it. Porcelain blade, wet it down, off-cut, straight edge. Score. I'll use that thing anyway, just to get the top score mark, but then I'm going to get a grinder on it. Sorry, I can't risk it anymore. 225 widths these are, and I had to do the grinder. So they're all chopper there now. So I just SBR'd the top. Time for me to plonk them on. I wanted to do 45, 45, 45, 45, but we needed more. And as long as the grout's really, because the grout for the wall is pucker, is spot on, is exact mirror image. So as long as this grout is similar to the curtain, I think we'll get away with it. But we're going to have straight. So that bit's done, got the bits on the top, gonna let that go off over the weekend. I got the bits in the middle cut, ready, there to go on the inside around the edge. So you're not gonna see any exposed block work when you plant it up. There we go, that's another bit done for the collection. See you Monday. Voila. So I got it grouted, so that's done. Does need a little bit more of a clean on it. Takes ages to clean this stuff. But anyway, that's in. I wanted to do the grouting today, around the edges and stuff, but it's just flipping rain. All right, spin around and show you, then I'm buggering off. All right, here we go. So, yeah, 3 milli joints. Does need a bit of a clean still, like I said. But yeah, cotton copper from Londonstone. Pretty nice, isn't it? I like it. Well, anyway, that's the end of this video. Come back for some more when we'll grout this one.